a ring of moment of inertia 4.9 divided by pi square is rotating with 300 rpm. Number of rotations per minute is given, that is 300 rpm. Convert it into rps, means divided by 60. So this 0 get cancelled with 0, means it is 5 rps. So the initial angular speed of that ring is omega equal to 2 pi n1 equal to 2 pi into 5, that is 10 pi radian per second. 10 pi radian per second. Now if the frequency of rotation is reduced by 120, means n2 is equal to original rotation is how many? 300 rotations per minute minus of, it is reduced by, not 2. So that is equal to 180 rpm and convert it into rps. So this divided by 6, so it is 3 rps, and that's why the final angular speed omega 2, which is equal to 2 pi n2. So omega 2 is equal to 2 pi into 3. So omega 2 equal to 6 pi radian per second. Omega 2 equal to 6 pi radian per second. Now what we have to calculate? Work done. See here, there is a decrease in angular frequency. It means work is done, and that work done is always equal to work done to reduce the frequency from 300 to 180 rpm. Work done is equal to change in kinetic energy of that ring. Work done is equal to what? Change in kinetic energy. Say initial kinetic energy is K1, final kinetic energy is K2. Why we have taken K1 minus K2? Because omega 1 is greater than omega 2, it means kinetic energy initially is greater than kinetic energy finally. So work done equal to change in kinetic energy, and we know that kinetic energy is given by formula half I into omega square. So change in kinetic energy, half I is taken as common, omega 1 square minus of omega 2 square, that is equal to 1 by 2 into value of I is given 4.9 divided by pi square, and omega 1 square, omega 1 is 10 pi. What is square of omega 1? It is 100 pi square, minus omega 2 is 6 pi. So what is omega 2 square? Square of 6 pi, it is 36 pi square. So work done is equal to half into 4.9 divided by pi square into 100 pi square minus 36 pi square, means it is 64 pi square. So this pi square get cancelled with pi square. 2 ones are 2, and here it is 32. 32 multiplied by 4.9. So it is approximately 157 joule. So work done is equal to 157 joule. So out of 4 options, which option is correct? Option B is the correct option for this question.